Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to publish your sites using Squarespace. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open Squarespace on your browser that you're gonna use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me in browser I'm using Brave. Of course for you, you can use other browsers. Of course it should be working. So here all I need to do, go to the URL, type Squarespace, hit the enter button, and we will be at the main screen or the home screen of the Squarespace website. So here I would like to go, of course, if it's your first time using the website, you would like to go and get started to create your account. And if it's not your first time, just go to your dashboard by clicking at your icon there. It will actually take me into my dashboard. Here we'll find my testing website. I'll just click at one of them. Of course, I can even edit my website if I want. So what we actually want now is to publish our website. So let's say as an example, you already finished editing your website and now you would like to publish your website. So let me just go here. So publishing or hiding your site. So use the site availability to control who sees your site. You can make your site private to hide it from all visitors and search engines. Add a password to make it accessible to some viewers, or make it public when the site is ready for everyone. So this guide reviews the different site availability option and how they appear to your visitors. So before you begin, you'd like to hide or publish individual pages by visiting this, or before publishing your site. So you would like to use our site launch checklist. So let's just go and click on that to ensure your site is ready. If you're using the Squarespace app, set availability is only available on the iOS versions. And for tips on making your site more visible to search engines, you'd like to review this. If you want to understand more, you'd like to watch this video as well. So here they will actually show us how to open the site availability on settings. So all I need to do is just go here to the home menu. First of all, let me just go here to this site launch checklist. So as you prepare to publish your site, use this to ensure everything is ready to visitors and search. So if you want to read that, go ahead and do that. So as we said, we would like to go here to the home menu, which is kind of this. And here we would like to click at settings. So let's just go and do this. Here we would like to click at site availability. So this is it. And here, as you can see, you can just select it public, password protected, or private. So for me here, I have it private. Of course, I can make it public but I will need actually to upgrade. So as you can see, you must upgrade your trail to a paid site to make it public. Upgrade using the link above by clicking here or by clicking here at subscribe. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.